In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize video in CapCut PC. If you need to zoom in on a specific detail in your footage or make your clip smaller for a picture-in-picture effect, CapCut PC makes the process very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to look for so you can resize your video quickly and with confidence. To begin, go down to your timeline and find the video clip you want to adjust. Click once directly on that clip to select it. This part is important because CapCut only shows the editing controls for the clip that's currently highlighted. Once it's selected, you should see a white border around the clip. That border is your visual confirmation that CapCut is now focused on the correct layer and ready for you to change its settings. After that, move your attention to the top right side of the screen, where the Properties panel is located. In that panel, click on the tab labeled Video. Then make sure the Basic section is active. This area contains the main layout and transformation controls for your selected clip. So if you don't see the options you need right away, double-check that you're inside Video and that Basic is the active sub-tab. Now you're ready to actually resize the clip. In the Basic panel, look for the section called Position and Size. Under that section, find the Scale control. By default, it will usually be set to 100%, which means your video is being displayed at its normal size. To make the video larger, click and drag the scale slider to the right. This increases the size of the clip and creates a zoomed-in effect. To make the video smaller, drag the slider to the left. This reduces the size of the footage, which is useful if you want to place the clip inside the frame as a smaller overlay. If you want more accurate control, you can also use the number box next to the scale slider. Double-click that percentage value and type in the exact size you want using your keyboard. This is especially helpful when you're trying to match a specific look or keep multiple clips scaled consistently. And that's it. Once your clip is highlighted in the timeline, you can go to the Video tab, open the Basic section, find Position and Size, and adjust the scale slider to get the exact result you want. It only takes a few clicks, and now you know the easiest way to resize any video clip in CapCut PC.